Hey guys, Tom Parsons here, your favorite Turner product spokesmodel. For real though, I've been running a lot of Turner this year, MotoSports brand, so I'm trying all their products out. And this is one that I'm currently running in my bike right now. This is the Turner air filter. I'll be honest, I have always been iffy of going towards other air filters that aren't name brands like you would know. But looking at this, one, I can see it's made in the Netherlands, where I know some filters are made. And for me personally, checking this thing out, it's hard to tell a difference, honestly. If this isn't made in the same place as some of the top of the line expensive filters like Twin Air, I'd be surprised. But for me, I'm gonna run it. I'm confident in running this. It comes pre-oiled, and we're gonna be going to the dunes. So if you wanna get yourself a nice filter for a cheaper price, there it is, Turner.